Kelly, and today I'm using a new camera lens. If you guys have not noticed, I know I'm a little bit more zoomed in, but I just really wanted you guys to have a more quality kind of content, so there we go. Today we will be talking about the Fenty new releases. So firstly we have the Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Powder Foundation. Mine is in 190. I actually went through the range, and this powder range is slightly darker in my own opinion, and usually for my liquid foundation I range about 230 to 250, I guess. If you guys want to look at my liquid foundation comparison and also first impression for Fenty Beauty, I have a whole Fenty Beauty playlist. I'll just link it up here so you guys can go take a look. And then I also bought the Fenty lip cream. This is in Fenty Glow. I have also the Fenty Glow original version right here, so we can have a comparison test. So I'm really excited. I have dry to combi skin, actually more like to dry, and then today I'm gonna try out this foundation. This foundation is retailing at $52 Sing dollar, and then for the lip cream is at $32. Both are a little bit more steep. Again, it's Fenty Beauty, so a lot of people would be okay with the price range, especially in Singapore. Even during this pandemic, I see so many people shopping, so I guess it's fine. Anyways, today I will not be using a brush for the foundation. I've seen Rihanna doing the powder foundation tutorial in their official page, and also some of the beauty bloggers, so I'm just gonna do it right smack with the puff, their normal packaging and their branding, and I really love it. I think they all have this hexagonal kind of shape, and it's so cute. Okay, without further ado, let's just go right in with the product itself. Today I'll be doing a 12-hour wear test for you guys. I wouldn't be going out, taking a course at home, so I'll be doing that and also documenting how it goes on my face, how the product actually wears on my face. I'm gonna go in with my primer first. So here I have the Ordinary High Spreadability Fluid Primer. Actually, you can use any primer that you like, because I certainly have no preference. I actually wanted to get Fenty Beauty's primer, but I think it's a little bit too expensive. I'm just it's fine. And then for this Fenty foundation, right, I'm just gonna not layer foundation and then just put it on my bare skin. I'll just wait for the primer to dry down before I smack the powder foundation up. So previously I really loved powder foundation because when I was going through puberty, right, my skin was a little bit more oily, and then I used to love the Benefit foundation Fit Me. It wasn't Fit Me powder. I'll just put a picture here. It's a Benefit powder that I really love, and I heat pan on that. But after that, I'm just so used to liquid foundation, and my skin started being really dry, so I could only use liquid foundation. Today I will be putting concealer on my under eye. However, on the rest of my face, right, I'm just gonna use the liquid foundation. Okay, wait, let me go grab my concealer. Put on my concealer real fast. It's 8 in the morning, and sorry if I sound monotonous, but your girl has a lot of things to do today. So please pardon my very boring voice. I'll try to talk more. Okay, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape. Haven't been really doing a wear test, foundation wear test video for a long time, and I know you guys really love it, and especially it's a new Fenty launch, right? I have to, I really have to do it, to fulfill my Fenty playlist. Okay, I have my under eye concealer done. Oh, okay, so anyways, right, under my eye, I want to see if with this foundation, is it able to use it as a setting powder. So yeah, okay, I'm just gonna start off with the powder for my face. So from what Rihanna and the beauty bloggers On the internet said you can use this puff. If you don't like it, you can use like a kabuki brush. Go in with like sliding it down like that, so you can see the foundation, it's all packed in here. Then they said to really like drag it down in the direction of your pores to remove like the redness and stuff like that. So right here you can see like the redness on my cheeks, right? Let me try using this, and also let's see if the color actually matches my face. So right now, again, I am in the shade 190. I think it's a great color match for Asian skin, but I want to see if, you know, the internet actually shows us the true color match, because I didn't go to the store to get this. Ooh, I think it's okay. It's slightly darker than my normal skin, I feel, but like I feel that like it actually blends in pretty okay. Do not tuck your face too much, but I would say like this actually glides on really quickly. Okay though, like it's not too drying. I have very dry skin, and later I'll see if it actually flakes here, because I don't know if it will cling onto my dry spots, but if you can see, right, comparison from on this face and this face, this is obviously more flawed, and then this one, it's covered up. I love the sheer coverage. This is like literally just one layer. I don't want to, you know, pile it up, because I love the natural look, and I think you can build it up if you want. I'll just use like little amount to build it up on like my pimple here, and we shall see if it actually covers. Okay, oh my god, within one little tap and it's gone. Oh, I actually really love this already. Oh my god, it's non-cakey though. It's really not cakey. Okay, and then on my nose, it has like redness here. I'm just gonna, I think, right, if you guys were to go out and then you guys want a compact powder, I think this is the one to go with, because I think it covers up really well, especially if you have redness. And I think this with the warm undertone, right, it actually covers up most of my darkness on my face and also the redness. This puff is not too bad either. Maybe it's like the dragging motion or something, or like I do have a little bit of like mini, I don't know what is this called, like eraser dust kind of feels, but you can just like remove it like that and it's fine. So I'm just gonna go in with this BH Cosmetics vegan brush, and it's a huge fluffy brush. Just set my under eye. My take on compact powder instead, you probably shouldn't use it as a setting powder, because I think it really creases my under eye. Like Charlotte Tilbury's compact powder, it really does help me cover up my under eye. It also does not crease my under eye lines, but this one, it does. So I'm a little bit sad, because I thought it could be like an all-in-one item. Overall, I still love it, especially on evening out my skin tone like the rest of my face. Okay, let's go in with my bronzer and my blusher. Let's see if it does well. Beauty bronzer here. This is In the Sun. Really like this powder. I'm just gonna use the same old brush. It actually glides onto my skin very well, especially with the powder foundation. Have my bronzer on. I think I just like this light bronze, and you can see that it actually glides onto the foundation very well. Okay, and I want to try something more adventurous. I bought this new MAC blusher. This is Glow Play Blush in So Natural. I really like it. This is, I don't know, it has this mochi texture. Literally put your finger on it, right, it has this like cream kind of texture, but when you put it on your face, it turns into like a powder light finish. I really like it, and it's a very natural kind of look. And yeah, the name, as the name suggests, it's called So Natural, so I usually like to use it with my fingertips. we have it. Alright, I really like this. Alright, and then what else? Oh yeah, the lip cream. This is the lip cream. So the lip cream has very little shimmer to no shimmer, and as compared to these, so this is the lip cream, and then this is the Fenty Glow. I only have the sample size because your girl has too many lippies. So okay, so this is the usual Fenty Glow, and I really like it. I always use it as a topper. So I'm just gonna show you guys. It's a little bit more sticky, but it has, you know, pigments, and for a lip gloss to be so pigmented, right? It's crazy, and I really like how shimmery this is. Or some childhood candy that I have is amazing. So this is the original Fenty Glow. And then we have the cream. So this cream is also called Gloss Bomb, but this is in cream, and I think it's a little bit more, I think this just doesn't have shimmer. I shall see the comparison. It's different. The smell is different. I wish they had, oh wow, okay. It's not exactly the same color, because I feel that Fenty Glow, the original one, it's a little bit more orangey and it's a little bit more warm tone, and for this lip cream, right, it is a little bit more cool tone. It's really like a pink. It's not like orangey pink nor like peachy pink. So okay, I'll just like put it on my lips. I'm excited though, because on some days where I don't want to be like fancy and have like shimmery lip, I'll just go for this lip cream. But I wish they had the same smell though. This smells like crayon. Ooh, actually, okay. It's a lot thicker than what I thought. Very viscous. I don't really like this kind of texture, and it's also, I don't know, it feels very oily too, but maybe it's for it to look more full on your lip. Oh, it's kind of sticky. So it looks like that. Okay, I think this has high shine too, just without shimmer. And with the high shine, right, it actually helps your lip look more plump. And hopefully this has nourishing oil in there, because it is very oily. I don't know, it tastes weird too. Doesn't smell as good as the original one. But okay, I am happy with the color, because honestly, I can trust Fenty with the color range. And I think this color is pretty safe. If you were to wear a mask out, right, like how we always have to do now, I think this might transfer onto the mask. So yeah, this is the color difference. Let me do like a transfer test, okay? Kiss test. It is proven. It is very transferable. I kind of like it when it's, you know, like this. It's not too much. Maybe I applied a little bit too much, but this is cute. So I'm done with my full makeup, and we will be starting the wear test right now. I'm just gonna go for my class, and then later on I will come in for a check-in. Hopefully this will work, but for now I really love my skin. It looks so good. The foundation, it's amazing. So if you guys are afraid that the powder foundation clings onto your dry spots, you can use this, because Max Fix Plus actually helps with, you know, melting the foundation into your pores. But for now, I feel like my skin is doing really well with the foundation, so I'm good. And oh my god, it actually looks kind of dewy too. I love it. I really like it a lot. Alright, we'll come back for check-ins in a bit. Hi guys, it's 3 p.m. right now, and it's been quite a while since I put on my foundation. I put it on at about like 8 AM, at 8:30 I guess. And right now it's a little bit oily, but on my dry skin, it's okay. It just looks greasy. I mean, it looks okay, but it kind of looks a bit glowy, which is what I like. Just that, like, if you can tell, like, my nose is like quite oily. Look at this grease. But other than that, it's fine. So far, so good. It's 6 PM going 7, and my face look a little bit greasy, but it's still overall okay. My mascara smudged a little because my eyelids do tend to get a little bit more oily. This redness here is showing a lot already because I think the foundation also wore off around this part because I ate a lot. So yeah. Okay, so this is my skin with flashlight, and you can see that it's a little bit more greasy, especially on my cheeks, my T-zone areas that will be, you know, more prone to producing more excess sebum. And you know, in Singapore it's so warm, so that's why, like, you can see this grease. But I guess, like, overall I still look quite okay. Like, it's not that I look like a grease ball. And from this area, which has a little bit of redness peeking through, is because we're wearing masks. I went out for dinner and went out for lunch, so, and I did not reapply any of the foundation, so I'm pretty happy. Yeah, I guess if you have textured skin, you guys need to put on primer, and I do have a little bit of bumps here if you guys can see. Yep, overall I like it, and I think this is kind of dry to combination skin proof, and I think it's very worthy because it's $52 and you can use it like literally every single day. Let's see how long I will heat pan, but I think I'll be using this powder very often. And yeah, it's like a quick pick-me-up, especially you are a working mom, or if you have like 9 to 5, or you're like just rushing to work or like to go out or anything. I think it's amazing, and I shall end this 13-hour wear test here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. You can click here to watch my Fenty playlist. Bye bye.